Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna be going over how to make a scene into your GFX. Now, I made a video on this in the past, but I feel like I could have done it better, so I'm remaking that video. So to start off, as you can see, I already have imported my avatar into Blender. Now, all I have to do is add the scene in. And to do that, I'm gonna go into a website called Sketchfab. Sketchfab is a free website that you can use for free models. So let me go into it real quick. Now, in Sketchfab, all you want to do is just find a model that you like. And as you can see, I already found one. And we just go back to Sketchfab. This is going to be the home screen, and all you want to do is hit search models, and remember to hit downloadable, and then you just want to look for something you like. Now, I typed in stage, and if I scroll down, I will find the stage I had earlier. There it is. Now, all you want to do is just want to click on it, go all the way down to download 3D model, and then you just want to go down to GLB. Now, as you can see, there's going to be multiple GLB texture sizes. Now, you want to pick the texture size that works for your laptop or computer. If you have a higher end laptop or computer, I would recommend using the higher textured one. And if you don't, use the lower textured one. Now, all you want to do is hit download. And once it's done downloading, you just want to go back into Blender. Now, in Blender, all you want to do is go into File, Import, GLTF. Now you just want to go into your downloads, and as you see, there it is. Now you just want to bring it in. Now, as you can see, it's backwards and it's not facing the right way. There we go. We just want to rotate it like that, and if you don't know what the rotate tool, it's right here. Now, as you see, it's way too small for our avatar, so all you have to do is just hit S to scale it up. Now, when you scale it, the further you move away from it, the bigger it goes, and if you move closer to it, it's going to grow smaller. So we want this to be bigger, so we're just going to scale it up. Now we want to just put our avatar into it. Now we just want to fix our camera position like this. Just add a camera, hit the camera icon, go to view, navigation, walk navigation. And as you see, there is our camera, and now we can adjust it. Now, as you can see, we already have the scene in, and if we have the camera adjusted to it. Now, to see how our scene looks with the lighting, all we need to do is go into our rendered viewport, and as you can see, it's dark and there's not much lighting. So what we actually want to do is we want to turn it a little bit darker. Let's turn around the value like that, and it's going to be completely black. But then let's go to our viewport shading, and then let's add some lights, and all we have to do is Shift A and add some lights. There we are. Now I'm going to use the spotlight just for this one. I feel like a spotlight would fit this scene just right. Now all we have to do is now adjust it to how we want it. Now I'm gonna have it like spotlights in like a stage light. So let's do that real quick. Let's go about 100. And want to duplicate it by Shift D. Make another one. And let's make one more. So Shift D again. And then we want to rotate it just like that. And now we want to look at our lighting one more time to see how it looks. It's still way too dark. So let's change this to 1000 instead of 100. Feel free to play around with your lighting. Definitely in most of your scenes, lighting can really make a big difference to how your scene looks. So feel free to play around with it. Alright, there we go. Now if you go back into our camera settings, viewport, as you can see, there he is. And it is much better lighting. Now, I don't like just the white lighting, so let's add some variation. Let's add in some yellow. And then let's add in some blue right here. Now, we're going to make this just a tad bit stronger because I think the lighting is still a bit too weak. So let's go 1500 for this one. And for the same one, for this one, 1500. Now, for our last one, we're going to go about 2000 because I feel like this lighting could be a lot stronger. And since this is going to be our main lighting, let's just put it to 200. Now we go like that. And as you see, the scene looks a lot better. Though, I still feel like it's a bit too plain, so let's add something into it. Let's go into Sketchfab one more time. And then let's go to our search bar. And let's look for a microphone. So we just type in microphone. Now we want one like a stand, kind of like this one. Now, we just want to do the same thing, is go into download 3D model, go down to GLB, download, wait for it to download, there we go, go back into Blender, file, import, GLTF, And then we want to look for classic microphone. There we are. And there we go. There it is. Again, it's just a bit too small. So remember, hit S and just scale it up just like that. Now it's a little bit bigger than we want. Let's go for that. Now, as you can see, it's floating a little bit, so we just want to adjust that real quick. Now it is a little slanted, so again, we want to fix that just by rotating it like that. And it's facing backwards, so we just want to, again, rotate it 180 degrees. There we are. And now we just want to pose our character to it. So to pose it, all we have to do is hit the arm, I meant the rig, and then let's go into pose mode, and just move around our character to see how we want to pose it. Now I want him holding the microphone, so let's just do something simple like that. Now give me 1 second to pose it, just to make this a little bit faster. Alright, there we go. I just posted it all up. And all we have to do is go back into our lighting. And as you can see, we just made our first scene GFX. Now that was pretty simple and pretty easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to learn how to make GFXs from the start, feel free to check out my series GFX for Dummies. It's 4 videos right now, but I plan on making more. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good day.